In today's video, we are reviewing Bluevua Reverse Osmosis System Countertop Water Filter. And the best part is its 5-stage RO filtration that gives bottled quality water right from your tap at home. I have provided the link to this countertop water filter in the description below at the best price in the market, so feel free to check it out. Now, if you're tired of buying bottled water, worried about tap water taste, or you just want cleaner water for your family, this Bluevua countertop RO system is a super easy solution because it needs no plumbing and no complicated installation at all. You literally just plug it in, fill the tank, and let it do the work. One thing I really like is the premium borosilicate glass carafe because it feels more clean and high quality compared to plastic containers, and it also helps reduce the risk of secondary pollution. This system uses a 5-stage advanced reverse osmosis filtration process, and it's designed to remove up to 99.9% of possible contaminants, which is exactly what most beginners want. Simple, safe, and reliable water every day. It also includes a remineralization filter, which means the water doesn't just come out empty. It puts back essential minerals to improve the taste, so your water feels smoother and more refreshing. Another big win is the water-saving 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, so you waste less water compared to many other RO systems. And it even has a power-saving standby mode when it's not running, which is great for everyday use. The display is also very helpful because it shows water quality and filter life, so you always know when it's time to replace something without guessing. And speaking of filters, they can last around 12 to 24 months, so you're getting long-term value and less maintenance. This is perfect for apartments, renters, dorms, small kitchens, or anyone who wants clean water without calling a plumber. Overall, the Bluevua countertop RO system is a smart choice if you want better tasting, cleaner, and more confident drinking water at home, while also reducing plastic bottle waste. And if you want to grab it, remember the link to this countertop water filter is waiting for you in the description below.